Founded in 2012, Ruian ENCHI Electronic Company Limited, commonly known as ENH, is a professional manufacturer and distributor of power inverters for vehicles and boats, RV charge converters, and off-grid solar power systems. ENH has established an elite group of senior technical personnel engaged in electronic technology development. They are equipped with a comprehensive array of industry-standard production and testing machinery. With a strong innovation ability, we are able to independently develop and design multiple series of power inverters and put them into production according to customer requirements. During production, all of our components will be rigorously tested and stored in an anti-static warehouse with a constant temperature and humidity control. All plug-board production line personnel are outfitted with an anti-static bracelet and complete plug-in according to SOP. The PCB production capacity is up to 1,000 to 1,200 PCB per day. ENH has also introduced multiple protective measures. Our wave soldering equipment with a high degree of automation is used to weld the entire PCB board to achieve a high-quality welding effect. For any unfinished welding components after wave soldering is completed, we utilize a welding line to repair welding. Our quality inspectors carry out rigorous ICT tests on the welded PCB boards to ensure that the parameters of all products are within the standard range. The qualified PCB will be sent to the finished product workshop for assembly. In order to ensure that every product manufactured by ENH meets design standards, the finished products will be tested in our testing area for temperature protection, overload protection, short circuit protection, and other tests. We will separately pack and store each finished product that has testing in the constant temperature and humidity of our finished goods warehouse, where they are ready for distribution to the world. After years of development, we have always committed to establishing our own brand of products, DOCS, which have passed a number of international related certifications. Our products have been exported to Germany, the United States, France, Italy, Russia, the Middle East, Brazil, and other countries and regions, and have established long-term and effective cooperations with well-known enterprises such as Dometic, ENCHI, Airline, and Wagon. Our company also looks forward to cooperating with more customers.